It's my Range Rover 2006 Supercharger. You know what I'm saying? Sunroof, cream interior, black paint striper. You know what I'm saying? TV'd out. You know what I'm saying? Screens in there for the kids and everything. 212s, 3K amp, nothing major. Nothing too major. You know what I'm saying? You see the GT, you see the C8, the Lambo. You see the motor back there.
Big time.
Nice. C8 clean with that butter though. The motor in the back. Yes, sir. Clean. Clean now.
Yeah, it's watermark.
Clean.
Right, and the radar
pretty good.
is right down here behind this. And then there's another one behind the rear bumper.
He low to the ground though. You better not go over a speed bump. You're gonna lose all that. Both of them low.
Detector and shifter. So when they hit you with the laser, it shifts it. They can't read your speed. So it gives you time to slow down, you know, before they can shoot
super
you
low
again.
too though.
First and foremost, though, once it goes off,
Super low. Got the McLaren. I see it, the big one, the real one. The real one. Big brake package, all of that. Yes, sir. See the interior. I still feel heat coming off them pipes, man. Come on, man. It's the big one. It's the big one. Ooh, I see that. I see the lamp. Not bad at all. That's the one I used to play with on GTA. Not GTA, Midnight Club. Double this. You know what I'm saying? That blue clean. I ain't even gonna lie to him. Yeah, I ain't even gonna lie to him. That 505 in that mug. That mug is big. Say 548. Don't do smell good. Well, nothing smell better than them old schools, man. I can just tell you that now. That thing smells good and look good. Tires ain't bad. Big brake package up on there. Pan stripe is what did it to him. Let me get up out the way. Look at that pan stripe. Pan stripe what did it to him. Look like the same color as my car as the pan stripe. That's what I think. That color good. Real good. What else? Ain't really too much. I'm nothing else to get a footage of. I don't really like Mustangs, but he got a beast in that. He spent some money on that one. Nice little beast out for that. He got a little beast in this little thing. Oh yeah, he look good. And he sounded good. He got a beast in that mug. I don't think I ever seen this. Look like he be trying to drift it. Got the wide body kit on that thing. Oh, look, they got the little dude right there. I like that.
Have fun.
Come on, clean. That paint did it to him now. Ooh, look at that top. Look at that top end. Look at that top end. See the penmanship on all of that? With the interior. Everything is just all the way there. I got to tell you. See the paint? With the bumper scrapers, you know what I'm saying? I mean, the curb scrapers, the old school, you know what I'm saying? Look at the trunk, everything done. Brand new batteries, 2 big pumps, you know what I'm saying? Nothing major. Every time I see all this work in the trunk, I don't never see a lot of speakers because you ain't got enough space for it. Then again, you don't want to take too much of your power away from your juice, put it into your music. So they always just have something, you know, shake it up just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Little head boppers. Nothing major. I'm pretty sure it sound pretty good. Look pretty good. Okay, that mud clean. Oakland Raiders, they in the building. Die hard fans, you know what I'm saying? Just do a little, nothing major, you know what I'm saying? He clean though. Yeah, he clean. You know, I got a friend that played for the Oakland Raiders. What's his name? He's number 8 though. Josh Jacobs, yes sir. That's my boy. All the way from Etowah Bulldogs. Go way back. Clean. You ain't gonna bounce him? Not today.
Not today.
I feel you.
Yeah, just chilling right now.
They clean though, boss.
Thank you.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Sleeper. I like sleepers. This is one of them cars you get on side of, like, oh, he ain't talking about nothing, and he blow right past you. You see that big boy turbo he got on that thing. These is the cars, them cars right there pull up to and think they gonna leave, and this car gonna give them a real problem. I don't know what type of model this is, but it got a turbo on it. On the little wagon, little old Audi wagon.